Okay, so why were you late? Is it only because of the internet connection?
Yes.
Ah. Okay, so here in the Philippines, we're having that one. We're having short glitches, but it doesn't take long. Okay, so what did you do today? Hmm?
It was fine.
So that's good. Okay, so was it a typical day for you? How's school? How's
Mm,
studying?
it was just normal.
It's just normal. Okay, well for me too. It's the typical day, but tomorrow I think it'll be different because it's weekend, so anything could happen. How about you? How about you? What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm still going to play with my friends Saturday.
Mm-hmm.
Play
That's great.
my
Mm-hmm.
buddy on Sunday.
Oh, okay. So that's really cool. So you'll be doing a lot of things for the weekend. So that'll be
Yes.
amazing. Oh, there. Hi there. Looking very handsome
Hello.
again, as usual. You're eating chips. Come on, give me. How often do you eat chips? What kind of chips is that one? Corn
Wait a
chips?
minute. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Is it spicy? Oh wow, that looks delicious. Seafoods? Seafood flavor?
No.
How does it taste? Cheese?
It's very yes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, is that your favorite snack?
Yes.
Did you buy that? Did you buy that?
Yes.
How much does it cost? Huh?
2001.
1,001. No, that's a bit expensive. Okay,
No. It's
really?
very cheap.
Very cheap. Here in the Philippines, 1,001 is about 33 pesos. You can buy a burger with that.
Really?
Yeah. How about how about burger in Korea? How much does it cost?
About 6,001.
Oh my god, that's really expensive. Here in the Philippines, if you have 1,001, I guess you could buy um two pieces of two burgers, and you still have change.
Oh my god.
That's amazing, huh? Yeah, here in the Philippines, I guess um we have our products aren't really that expensive, so it's really cool if you can go here and buy things that you needed and then bring it to Korea. Okay, so do you have a question for teacher before we start, Sam?
No.
Okay, since you don't have a question today, Sam will be talking about copper. Okay,
What's copper?
copper is a kind of metal. It's an element too. Okay,
Oh.
do you know wirings? Do you know the wiring inside wires that we use
Yes.
for for conducting electricity? Yeah, those are
Yes.
copper because copper is um, it is one of the best metal for conducting electricity or for sharing or for connecting
Oh.
electricity. Okay, and
Okay.
bullets are made of coppers too.
Oh.
Okay, what color is copper, Sam? As you can see here.
Boom.
Oh. Huh? What
Beautiful
color?
color.
Hmm? Pardon?
Beautiful color.
Mm-hmm. Well, it could be brown or like um somehow it looks like gold, but it's like the darker shade of gold. Okay, so do you see
Yes.
things made of copper around you? Do you have things inside your house that you think is made of copper?
No.
Really? How
Yes.
about your doorknob? What is it made of?
It's made of wood.
Oh, really? That's amazing. Okay, how about your the wiring on your computer, and the inside of your computer is yes, that's copper. It's basically it's made out of copper. Okay,
This.
yeah, that one. Okay, so if you're going to split open a wire, and you're going to see like this, like two like positive and negative, and then inside of that one you have um tiny or thin lines of copper, and they use it for conducting
Oh,
electricity. And okay, so here we have your new vocabulary. Can you please read the first one?
copper.
Yes, that's copper. We've discussed about copper. It's a kind of metal or element. Okay, elements such as oxygen, nitrogen, hydrogen, carbon. Okay, and copper is one of them. Gold, silver. Okay, bronze. Those are elements, and copper is one of them.
Okay.
Okay, can you use copper in a sentence?
I will use copper, metal, electricity, wire in one sentence.
Okay, go ahead.
Copper is a kind of a metal and delivers electricity, so every wire is made of copper.
Okay, very good. So that's true. Good job. That's amazing. So I guess you know what metal, what electricity, and what wire is, right? Okay, so let's use bullet, expensive. How about accessory? What do you mean by accessory?
Uh, necklace. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yes, accessory is something that you use, yes, or you put on you or onto something to give impression, like added details or
Yes.
added design. Okay, that's an accessory. Okay, so can you? How about surface? I think you know what surface is.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so can you use bullet, expensive, accessory, and surface in one sentence?
No.
Really?
Ah, yes, yes, yes.
It doesn't have to be in order. It doesn't have to be. It could be in random order.
Uh, bullets are made of copper and not expensive. Some people make not expensive accessory using copper. Copper is sometimes used to cover the surface of buildings.
Yeah, you used ah, Ah! You used some of the details from our passage, and that's cheating again. Well, anyways, that was great. Okay, good reading. Okay, so let's read the passage now. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you please read the
Yes.
passage? Yeah, okay, so let's start.
What is the most useful? Copper is one of the most useful metals in people's lives. Copper is found everywhere. It delivers electricity very quickly, so every wire is made of copper. Irons, electronic stoves, and pots also contain copper. Copper is expensive as or gold. People make cheap accessories using copper because it has a blue color. Copper is sometimes used to cover the surface of buildings. Do you know that copper first metal people used in history?
Okay, so very good. So, the reason why it is one of the most useful metal here on Earth, it's because it has good characteristics. It it's malleable. Like you can shape it anything you want. Okay.
Yes,
When you melt it and you put it into like a mold, it could do that. And when you create like a
yes,
very thin sheet of it, like you could fold it into any design that you want. So it's malleable.
yes.
It follows what shape the shapes that you want. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So here. I think that was pretty easy, so I'll give you this one, and you can your star. You're answering it now. Tell me when you're done. Okay, so let's see if your answers are correct. When you say useful, it means handy, yes. Okay, deliver means to send. Quickly means very fast, beautiful, very attractive, and sometimes every once in a while. Okay, good job.
Yes.
Great job. Okay, so let's continue with this one. Page 42. Mm-hmm. Okay, we will be answering true or false. Okay. Okay, I
Okay.
want you to select true or false. You can check it or circle it. Number one, you cannot find copper easily. That's false because you can see it anywhere, in every household, on the street. Copper is not expensive. That's true. And copper delivers electricity. That's true. Very good. Okay, and another word for deliver is like conducive. You could also say conducive, like it delivers or
Okay.
it's useful for transferring electricity. Reading comprehension. Circle the best answer. What is the main topic of the passage? Okay, this one is correct. Copper is the first metal. Okay. People make cheap accessories using copper. Okay, very good. Okay, so if you have like copper and you're going to use that as an accessory, you could cheat. You could cheat another person, and they might think that it's made out of gold or a more expensive material, but it's not. Just copper. Okay. Here in the Philippines, you
Okay.
could you could sell copper. That's the reason why some people steal wires, like electrical wires, because they sell the copper inside of it, and it's a bit it's when you sell if you're going to sell it, it's a bit expensive, so you're going to get much from it. I guess
Wow.
a kilo of it will be more than 1,000 won.
Okay.
So yeah, so some people steal it, like they get or they cut away electrical wires, which is owned by electrical companies. They try to steal it and they sell it to the junk shop.
Okay.
Okay, so well, anyways, let's continue with this one. Writing practice. I want you to type your answer. What things contain copper? Done with your answer? Okay. Electrical stove. What's an electrical stove? Electric stove or electrical stove. Electric stove. Accessories, it should be
Electro
plural.
stuff.
Okay. Yeah, that's something new. Okay, so well, anyways, so let's do, I think our answers are correct. Very good. So bullets, accessories, iron pot. Iron pot. Okay, summarizing practice. Read and complete the summary. Oh my god. I think I should delete this part. Because you're getting your answers from it. Okay. So copper is very useful because it delivers electricity very quickly. Copper is common, you know, it could be the answer, but actually the actual answer for this one is cheap. Copper is cheap, so it is used everywhere, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so it is used everywhere, so it is the first metal used in history. Okay, very good. Good job. We still have 2 minutes left. Let's continue with this one. Uh-huh, this one. So did you know that the Statue of Liberty contains a lot of copper? Do you know that? Hmm? Statue of Liberty contains a lot of copper. Okay, so this time I want you to circle the things that are made out of copper, okay? So we have here coins, bullets, um, chess things, and wire. Okay, I think all of your answers are correct. I'm just wondering how your coins, like your Korean coins, is it made out of copper?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Uh-huh. I think our money is made out of copper too. It's very light, right? So, but I think you cannot use coins in Korea. Like you cannot buy anything from 1 won, 10 won, 100 won, 50
Yes,
won.
101 is okay. 51 is okay. 10 is okay.
You can buy something from 10 won using 10 won.
No.
How about 100 won?
Okay.
Candy. You can buy candy.
Yes, I can buy candy by 51.
Ah, okay, so that's good. Okay, so I think that would be all for now. So did you understand our topic for today?
Yes.
Okay, so very good. So remember, copper is a kind of element, and it is very useful conducting. Oh, I think Dan is here already. Oh, she's gone. Okay, so that's my next student. So teacher needs to say goodbye for now. I'll see you again on Monday. Have a great weekend. Okay?
Bye bye.
Yes. Bye bye.